Hello guys, it's my pleasure to welcome you to my channel Laser Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafi Yakub. I'm reaching you from Lagos State, Nigeria, and in this video guys, I'm going to teach you guys step by step on how you can sign up successfully on WeChat without any stress. All you have to do is to watch the step by step I'm taking in this video and see how you get it done, how you have a successful WeChat account. But before I get today's tutorial started, if you are very new to this channel, remember to click on subscribe right here. Click on subscribe. So when you click on subscribe, then don't forget to hit on this notification bell. You click on that. So you click on the notification bell. Remember to click on all so that you get notified each time I upload value content on YouTube. Then you watch the video. And lastly but not the least, if you would like to check my previous tutorial about WeChat, all you have to do is to make sure you visit my channel. When you visit my channel, navigate to playlist right here. So when you click on playlist, you'll be able to see my present and past tutorial about WeChat topic. All you have to do is to come down here, click on this importation class right here. So when you click on this importation class, you'll be able to see more topics about WeChat. Let me just scroll down. So right here you can see this is a topic about WeChat Pay, how to enable WeChat Pay. So you can scroll down and see more topics. So this is another topic about WeChat, another topic about WeChat, another topic about WeChat. So you can continue scroll down more and more and see some of the previous tutorial about WeChat. Alright guys, so without wasting much of our time, so let's deep into tutorial and see how you can have a successful WeChat account step by step. So let's get started. So the first thing you need to do guys is to head over to your Google Play Store right here. This is my Google Play Store. So click on the Google Play Store. Then from here you'll be able to download a new WeChat account, application. So all you have to do is to make use of search bar right here and then type in WeChat. So right here you can see from the search result here, so you can see WeChat. So click on that, then it's load up. So at this point here, click on install. Alright guys, so after a successful installation of the WeChat app, the next thing you have to do is to click on open right here. Click on open. So at this point here, this is where you need to sign up your new WeChat account. So the next step you have to take here is to click on sign up right here. So I will click on sign up. This is going to pop up. Then choose sign up via mobile. Right here, click on that. Then here you enter your name. Then here you change your country. You choose your country right here. So I'm going to select my country, Nigeria. So you can make use of search bar here and type in your country name. So for easy identification, so here's my country, Nigerian, and this is the country code right here. So I'm going to select on that. So when you select your country, the next step you have to take is to enter your mobile number right here. So I'm going to enter my mobile number. So you have to make sure that the first digit of your number has been taken care of by your country code. So the next thing you have to do, let's say for instance my phone number here starts with 081 32 644 844. So for the fact that this code has taken care of the first digit letter, so I have to omit the first digit letter right here. So I'm going to come here. And delete that first digit number. So you need to take note of that. So having done that, so lastly here you have to set your login password right here. Enter your login password. So after entering your login password, you have to click on here. You tap on that. Then finally, you have to click on accept and continue. So right here, you have to click on here to agree to the terms of using the service. So I have read and accept the above term. So next thing you have to do is to click on next. Then right here, you have to click on security verification. For security of your account, verify security code before registration. Click on start. Right here, click on start. Then right here, you need to check on the security right here. So what you have to do here is to make sure you drag this puzzle along the line and make sure it's fixed on this particular one right here. So this is what you are going to use to drag it. So I will drag all over like this, then it moves to center this point right here. So let me just demonstrate it. So you have to drag from here right here, drag from here, drag and snap to that. Okay, so it has been successful. Alright, so at this point here, this is where we need to scan code to have this account register successful. So what I'm going to do right here is that I'm going to screenshot this particular page right here. I'm going to screenshot this page and use my other WeChat account to scan this particular page. But one thing you need to take into consideration at this point here is that when you are doing the registration, immediately you send the scan code, make sure you do not close the registration page. So I'm going to make a screenshot right away. So I'm going to make a screenshot. Okay. So I will have to send this screenshot to my WhatsApp so that I can get it scanned. Allow. So I have to send this for scan. Okay, so I have to check my other phone right here. Okay, so I have the code right, I have the QR code right here. So I'm going to use my other WeChat to scan code. Okay, so I'm still doing the scan. Boom. So the registration have been scanned successfully. So I will send it back to the WhatsApp again. So you guys can see that the registration has been successfully scanned done. Alright, so once so you can see it right here that the scan code has been done successfully. So once the scan code has been done successfully, you can now go back to your registration page. Okay, you come back to the registration page right here. So you can see that verification successful. So lastly, you have to come here and click on back to sign up. Okay, click on back to sign up. So I have to wait for the code. Alright, so the code is here. So I will just copy it and I'm going to paste it right here. So finally, I'll click on next. So just make sure that you do not close the registration page until everything loads completely. Okay. Alright, so you can see right here that WeChat will upload your address book to server to help find stuff this like that. You can just click on OK right here. Just click on OK. Then here, click on allow. So you just have to wait that until everything loads successfully. So you can see it's still loading. Alright, so at this point here, you can just you can read the instruction right here, or better still, when you read it, just click on next right here after you are setting the permission, and make sure you tap on here. Then finally click on next, then tap on here again, then click on done. Boom. So you can see this is how you set up your WeChat account step by step successfully without any stress. All you have to do is to watch the step by step I'm taking in this video and see how you get it done. If you find value for this video, give this video a big thumb up, and also if you have any question for me as far as this tutorial is concerned, you can put your question in the comment section down below. If you would like to join my paid training on China importation, US importation, and some other country importation, all you have to do is to connect with me on WhatsApp via the phone number on the screen of this video. If you want me to register your WeChat successfully, you can as well connect with me on WhatsApp via the same phone number on the screen of this video. Thank you guys for watching this video from the beginning to the end, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.